In this video, we're going to look at the alpha saves effect. Under the alpha mask and king, you can see here the alpha saves, but then you also have the another alpha save, this one with the mast. So what's the difference between alpha saves and alpha save mast? In KDENLIVE, the difference is that alpha save simply creates a transparent shape like rectangle, ellipse, triangle, or diamond to reveal the clips beneath that, while the alpha save mast is used with the mast apply effect to restrict other effects like blur or color correction to only the mast area. Now, this little table shows you the key differences between the two alpha saves and the alpha save mast. Now that we get that out of the way, let's have a look at the how to use the alpha save effect itself. So here we have the alpha save and we have the alpha save mask. So let's use the alpha save mask. Applying that to our clip, you can see already here creating this nice little rectangle, and then it's revealed there's no other clip below that, so it's only revealed the black background. Under the shapes, you can see you have different shapes there: rectangle, ellipse, triangle, and diamond. So let's go for the ellipse. And then in the operation, you have the write on, you have the make, you have the min, you have the add, and you have the subtract. Most of the time, we just leave it as write on clear. Now with that, we can expand this little bit, increasing the size of that and bring it to our animated tiger here. And one thing about the alpha shapes here, the keyframe is automatic keyframe. That means when you move the playhead, then you add the first keyframe. And when you move the playhead to the next frame, it's automatically adding a keyframe for you. You have to activate that by coming here, and then you can see this is automatic keyframe. So you have to activate this. Now that we have that, now let's start animating this. So we're gonna move the playhead a little bit somewhere here and add a first keyframe, and then move the playhead here, move the little mast here, move the playhead and move the mast. And you can see as we do that, you can see it's automatically adding the keyframe. So let's put it here and then move the mast, put it here, move the mast, put it here, move the mast until we complete everything. And there you go. You have the automatic keyframe here, and then you can see on the clip itself. So that's how to use the alpha shift. There are also other ways that we can also use alpha shift. This is one common one that I'm just showing it to you. So with alpha shape mask again, you can always apply the mask and make sure to put this at the top so it's only applied to the alpha shape mask. If you put it at the bottom, it does not have any effect with the alpha shape mask. This principle applies to any other effect that you're using to apply the mask apply to it. Thank you again for watching, and see you back again in another video.